G'day everybody, Chris here from B&B Off-Road Engineering. Today I'd like to introduce our new KLX250 radiator guard design. Our radiator guards feature a two-piece bolt-together front louver, crafted from 2.5mm marine grade aluminium. This unique design doubles the material thickness to a substantial 5mm across the front of the radiator, ensuring maximum strength and rigidity. As you can see, we've got all the pieces laid out here. We've got the two-piece front louver design that will locate like that, and I'll bolt them together shortly and go on with the install. We've got solid 4mm thick rear bracing. It's also a two-piece. The front louver panel will connect to with a wraparound style back to the bike's frame. Let's get on with it. Alright, so to begin with, we need to remove the shroud so we have access to the radiators and remove all the other components that aren't necessary. Here we go. Now I've got that stripped down, I'm going to jump over to the other side and do the same. So remember to do on this side is remove the top thermo fan bolt. We've incorporated a little tag that in our rear bracing that this will mount back to. Okay, we're going to start on the left side. Got all the pieces down here. I've assembled the louver panels. I've already bottled that together. If you order a set of these when they arrive, they'll be pre-assembled. Due to one of the louvers here, I'm going to slip the 25mm flange bolt through the slot to begin with. Position it and just try and get it started a few threads. That allows you to then insert the top one. Now this first step is a little bit fiddly as we're limited for space. Can't really get the socket in there, so I'm going to go find a little ratchet spanner and see if that helps get it done quicker. Okay, and I'm back. That's it. Now you don't want to fully tighten these bolts yet. You want to keep everything loose, get everything else into position, and then we'll tighten everything up at the end. Probably don't use a ratchet spanner because I've just got it jammed in there. Yeah. There we go. I think that'll be alright for the moment. Rear bracing. So places the original outer radiator with the brace there. Got some shorter M6 flange bolts. I'm going to use large washers on these. So we're attaching the rear brace to the radiator using the large washers and shorter M6 flange bolts. Get them, just lay them up. Again, keep everything loose so we can seat in its right positions. What I did forget to remove are these two frame bolts here, where it mounts back to the frame. Do that now. To attach the this rear brace, so we're basically going to use the short button head bolt supplied, the little washers. On the other side, I'll probably pre-assemble this and saves feeling around at this point.
Because you're flying out. Because you're flying out in very shortly.
Yeah, it's because I'm flying out. A few days off. Down to some warm weather. Torrential rain. Okay, so rear bracing is assembled. I've removed the frame bolts. See, they're lined up nicely there. The front louver is lining up with the rear bracing. The rear bracing in position. Remove the frame mount bolts and see that they're lining up beautifully there. I'm going to install the top brace mount that will secure the louver back. Just using the short button head bolt and a large washer there. Once you get to this stage and you've got this bolt in, that's giving you your vertical alignment for the front louver, which then allows you to tighten up the inner radiator bolts like that. There we have it, left side's done. Ready to mount the shroud straight on onto the right side.
Yeah.
So the right hand side is pretty much a repeat. The other side, except you just got to remember the top fan mount there. Incorporate a tag, the thread, bolt straight to it. I'm going to pre-assemble the rear brace on this side. And bolts. Position that.
What did you forget again?
Take two.
Ah, you all get the idea.
Running late for my holiday. And there you have it. There's the install of our KLX250 radiator guard. It's available in a brushed and textured powder coat finish. Thanks for watching, guys.